Hello there. In this video, we are going to learn how to update plugins or themes or both on your WordPress website. In order to do that, you need to connect your WordPress website to your InstaWP account. Once you have connected your site, then you can update plugins or themes individually or in bulk on multiple websites. So let's get started. To get started, first step is to click on Connect Site. Make sure that you are under the Connects option. This is where all your connected sites will be shown. Next, click on the Connect Site button and enter the website which you want to connect. So let's say we want to connect our website called expresstech.io. This is how I will enter the URL with the HTTPS as a protocol. And then I will click on Connect Site. This will open a new tab asking for the permission for us to connect with your site. And then we can install the plugin remotely. InstaWP has a plugin called InstaWP Connect, which will be used to manage your website remotely. This prompt will allow us to install a plugin, and that's it. You can approve of this connection. If you are not comfortable with this kind of installation, then you can download the plugin and manually install and activate it. The plugin is also available on the repo with the name InstaWP Space Connect. So you can search for it and you can simply install it. The connect process is really simple. And this is actually even simpler. So once this is done, this tab will get closed and you will get redirected to the Connects tab again, and the new connected site will start to show up. Once it starts to show up, you can click on the website. And it will show you details about the website, very basic ones. So which is the WordPress version? I know it is running a very old one. And PHP, how much space it is using, what is the active theme, published posts, pages, and so on and so forth. We are going to bring a lot of features for management very soon. If you go to the plugin section, you will see that there are a number of updates which are available. And it will show up here. So if you go down, you will see a bunch of updates. All right. So next is you click on one of the plugins or themes which you wanted to update. So let's say we wanted to update the GDPR compliance. So let's click on update and it should fetch the latest version of the plugin and update it for you. So let's wait for a moment. This page should refresh and it will show you the latest plugin version which was updated. So we are all good. You can do similar on the theme side. Right. So on the theme front, we are fine for now. Let's go back to the Connect tab. And now, if you wanted to update multiple sites, so let's say I wanted to update these 3 websites, what I can do is I can select all 3 and click on Bulk Edit. This should allow me to open the Bulk Editor, which will show you the theme and plugins tab. Under the theme tabs, you will see how many themes are required to be updated on how many websites. So for example, the 2024 theme can be updated on 2 websites, right? And both of them require an update. Similarly, if you go to the plugin section, you will see that a bunch of plugins are required to be updated on a bunch of sites. So let's say you want to update any of that. So let's go back to the themes tab real quick. And the 2024 theme, I can just click on update all and it will update both the themes, the theme on both the websites. So this is how you do bulk updates with InstaWP Connect. And that's the end of the video. Go to the Connect tab and you can manage your websites all at once. Thank you for watching.